Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Cavalier. I just wanted to show you how you can check out ebooks and audiobooks from the public library. You can either go to the Northport Public Library page, or you can go straight to livebrary.com. That's livebrary.com. I find it's a little easier just to go straight to Live-Brary. And you can do this, and your Chromebook can also be used as an ebook reader, which I think is great, and audiobooks too. So I would suggest going here to where it says ebooks and audiobooks, clicking where it says ebooks and audiobooks. You will have to sign in with your library card. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in here. Let's see here. I'll use Longwood Public Library, and I actually changed my barcode. Yours would be a barcode. I use this because it's easier for me. And I'm going to click sign in. Oh, it's not true. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm in. So if I wanted to look for a book, I could look under Kindle books, or I could just do a search. So let's say I wanted to look for Of Mice and Men. Maybe you probably read the 9th grade, but all right, so there it is. So I look over here, and now I can see what is available. So notice there's a wait list for Of Mice and Men as an ebook, but it's available as an audiobook. So I don't know what that is. All right, but let's just say in the meantime you need something. So let's say you're going to click on this Schmoop one, just for all intents and purposes. And then what you'd want to do is you'd want to click where it says borrow. Now over here it says borrow for. You can actually change that. So let's say I want this book for 21 days. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click borrow. Now I could either download an EPUB ebook if I was using like a tablet or something, or for you can actually click read now in browser and then flip your Chromebook around, and then you can use it as an ebook reader, which is really nice. I'm not going to continue because I'm not going to download this, but that is how you can use it that way. And this is your public library. Now, let's say you wanted to use our library. We do have some ebooks in there as well. You could go to our OPAC, click on Northport High School. And if you wanted to see what audiobooks and ebooks we have, you could always look up, let's say you wanted to look up, I don't know, Mockingjay, which I have no idea. And over here where it says material type, you can change it to ebook, electronic book, and then you can click enter. That's not true. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So now you can see it says Mockingjay and it says open. So you would just click the open button. And then from here, you would want to just log in, sign in with Google. I'm not going to do that because I have a different sign in. And then it would open, again, it would open if you're using your Chromebook. Now you could just flip your Chromebook around, and then you have a book to read. We don't have a ton of books in ours. They're more curriculum based, but they're certainly there. And we actually we do have quite a few digital audiobooks as well. So now I'm in the Hunger Games, and I could then read it. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you today. If you wanted to look at just a page, you click this AA for display options. So let's say you just want one page at a time. You could do that. You could read it, and again, you could flip it around. So that is all. Have a great day.